Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon after we go to settings. We click here on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Tapon app. And we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.